Hi guys, this is Harry622 and today I'm going to review the Deluxe Super Best Double Driver. You have what you get with the package. I don't have the package here because I'm in England, FGC. I'm boarding, I'm not at my house. And next to me we have
AimToWin.
AimToWin. This is AimToWin. Yep, this is AimToWin. Me and him are gonna do some Minecraft in the future. Sorry.
Like tonight, yeah.
Okay, let's go back into the subject. Sorry if I've gone out the subject what I'm talking about. So, we have the driver, the maximum drive, cyclone, the guy memories actually, the cyclone, heat, lunar, joker, metal, and trigger memories. And firstly, I would talk about the details of the belt. The details of the belt is really good. You have the Bandai metallic silver, Bandai metallic red, and Bandai metallic gold on the gold terminal. And you have this thing here that shows you the lights of the guy memory, as I'm going to show you now. So next we're going to look at the guy memories. Guy memories are detailed good and they look like the real ones. Look like they have in the show, but without the spackling. So firstly I'm going to show you the cyclone memory as I have on my as I'm holding. So cyclone. You hear the sound? And I'm going to blind you for a bit because I like blinding with this. Sorry if I blind you. Then we have heat memory, really cool. Hear the sound again? Yeah, hito. And then we have the light. Let's blind you. It's not that bright, I don't know why, but never mind. Love heat. Then we have lunar memory, the magical, the not really magical, the really special memory that you can then double can stretch its arm. So you have lunar. We have lunar. Let's blind you first. Very bright, and then let's you hear the voice of Luna. Yep, Luna memory. Then we have Joker, good friend for Shotaro. Yeah, this is my favorite memory, I have to say. Joker is my favorite memory. So let's hear the sound. Yep, Joker. And let's blind you. Very bright. Then we have Metaru. I really love this memory because it's a clear memory. Really good. I have to say Metal have the brightest light ever. No, not really. Cyclone, maybe. Then we have Trigger. The trigger memory I have for my Super Best belt is a bit dodgy because when I keep pressing buttons sometimes it suddenly comes up with weird noise. So let's hear Trigger. See, sometimes when I press it doesn't work. Yep, that's what my trigger memory is. And let's hear the trigger memory sound. Yeah, really cool. Let's blind you. Yeah. So we have, and then I forgot about this, the maximum drive slot. I'll show you at the end of the, nearly the end of the video, how these guy memory works on the maximum drive slot. And it's detailed well. With the button here, you have W. That means Kamen Rider Double, which is quite cool. So I'm gonna put down my camera and show you all the henshin for the. Sorry, dropped my camera. Never mind. Sorry about that. have to set up here. Okay, so get the guy memory away. Yeah, double driver here. Firstly, I'm going to use Cyclone and Joker. Let's put Cyclone first. You can see the light coming down here, I think, if you can see. Yep, you see the light is here. The light. Yep, that's why I said light goes there. Oh, a really cool henshin. I love this belt. This is one of my favorite belt. My second favorite is the Decade Driver. You can put lots of Gambarite. You can put fake Gambarite cards in, like I told you on Kamen Rider Decade Toy Review Part 1 Decade Driver. I forgot. I love that belt. So you have Joker. Then we're gonna do Cyclometal. Love the metal sound, quite loud. I love it. Let's change with Cyclone Trigger. Yeah, love that. Then we are gonna do Heat and Joker. Sorry, my camera suddenly dropped, but never mind. But hope you like it. Yeah, the Heat music is actually quite cool. I love it. And Joker. This combination is quite cool. Then we're gonna have the Heat and Metal main form for one of the main form for double actually. Yeah, really good. And then you have Trigger, Memory, yeah, love this. Then we're gonna do Luna and Joker. Henshin. Yeah. Then we're gonna do Luna Metal. Metaru. Yep. Then Trigger. Yeah, that's nearly part of the review. Now I'm going to show you all these memory in the maximum drive slot. So you have the maximum drive slot. You put it in. I have to get my camera up. Put it in. Slot it down. I don't know why the Philips memory always have like that. Yeah, but I like this sound anyway, so quite cool. Then we're gonna have Heat maximum drive. Then we're gonna get the Lunar memory maximum drive. pretty cool. Then we have Joker maximum drive. Love this. You can even say the name of the thing. Joker Extreme. Yeah, pretty cool. Then we have metal maximum drive. And that's also one thing in metal memory that is special. I will show you when I do this. Metal branding. Yep, and then you have the noise from the metal chef, from the extra weapon. If you get the original deluxe double driver, it comes up with only these 4 memories, and then you have to get the metal chef and trigger magnum to get the full collection of double. And then this is what the metal memory have, the sound of the metal shaft, which is good. Yeah, that's the sound of the metal shaft. If you have the super best belt, you can use just like grab the maximum drive slot as a metal shaft. Pretend this is a metal shaft, and you can keep pressing button and like that. So imagination. What TJ Omega, that's what TJ Omega said. So imagination. You have trigger. Trigger doesn't have the full noise because it's only have the trigger magnum to have the full noise, so it doesn't make the full noise. So it only does that. Yeah, my trigger memory is a bit dodgy, so that's why when I kept pressing it, sometimes it doesn't work. Yeah, but if you have the trigger memory, it doesn't make the full noise because it only works on the trigger magnum, so that's why the trigger memory don't have the full noise. So this is nearly the review. Oh, one more thing. The belt strap I didn't mention. Belt strap. And I brought this, the extended belt strap, so you don't have to buy the adult belt strap, because this fit me with the extension belt strap. It's fine, I go with it. It's cool. So this is nearly the review, and I'll see you next time with some more Kamen Rider Double or DK. Oh yeah, K-Touch. I'll do that next time because I got K-Touch back here in England, but I haven't got the package. The package is in Hong Kong, like the Super Best Henshin belt. No, actually, I think my Super Best Henshin belt, the package, I think I threw it away. Sorry about that. I forgot. I totally forgot about reviewing this double driver. So I'm so sorry. I haven't got the package, but never mind. I got the K-Touch package. I'll show it to you with my review. No, not in my review, but like part 3. Yeah. So yeah, and then I will show you T2 memory I make with the T2 memory, T2 guy memory. So I'll show you more about my guy memory. I'm going to show you here. This is my guy memory collection. Not going to show you yet. I'll show you in another video. I will make for Kamen Rider Double toy review part 2 guy memory collection. Yes, I'll make that video. I had the axle driver, and my friend gave me the trigger magnum and metal chef, so I don't have to buy these 2. I have the belt, but he doesn't want the trigger magnum and metal chef, so I have the both of them, but I don't have the package because he only gave me the gun and the shaft, the magnum and the shafts. And then I have the extreme memory, but I can't show you here because the extreme memory I've took it out and sticker in. I took the I've took the 2 memory because it's too big to put in a suitcase. So yeah, and I have the phone memory. I will show you in another review. So that's it. Hope you enjoy my video, and I will see you next time with another review. See you. Hope you enjoy.